Ganapati Muni's explanation of Mahabharata is there. It's a wonderful explanation, of course. I was just going through a few verses of both the epics, especially Ramayana, and some very connections I could feel, and I scribbled a few essays regarding that. Just sharing with you a few of the things, like in the very second chapter of Ramayana, Maharshi Valmiki says to his disciple Bharadwaja, Tamasa river, the water is flowing like the heart of Salu's son Manushya Manoyata. Can it be connected to secret of the Veda? Samudra, Gundir, Madhuma, Mudarat, that mantra is there, the secret of the Veda. Where Sri Aurobindo says, Samudra in the Veda is not just a Samudra. It is the fundamental energy behind the thought forces.